So now we are going to see the sketching of the quadratic. Again, always do the original sketch of this equation first, only then you see the domain, right? So the original of it will be, this is positive, right? So it's going to be smiley, and then you're going to be negative 8, right? So, there is y. So this is negative 8, and then this one would be your x, which is the roots of it, and you have to find by using 0 because x-intercept is roots is y-intercept 0. Y equal to 0. Okay, so x squared plus 2x minus 8 would be x plus 4x minus 2. Okay, and then equal to 0, so x would be negative 4, x would be 2. So this is 2 and this is negative 4. This is the sketching done. But now you have to see the domain now. Okay, now the domain asks you that the x has to be up until negative 6. Okay, so this is negative 4. Where would be negative 6? Or maybe here, right? So you have to draw up until here. Maybe like this. Oh, sorry. Make it beautiful, guys. Okay. Right? Maybe like this. And then you have to find the value of this. This is negative 6. So what is your y? Again, when x is negative 6, okay, put into the equation. So it's going to be when? I'm just doing shonga. So 36 plus, it's going to be negative 12 minus 8. So 34 minus 8. 16. Right? So it's going to be 16. So here is 16. Right? So now it's 3. See, it's 3. So now 3, again, you have to find the value, or 3 might be here. Okay, so you have to find now the value of 3. When x is 3, what is your y? Okay, so it's going to be, also, 9 plus 6 minus 8, isn't it? So it's going to be 15 minus 8 is 7. So this is 7, right? Did you see this? Right. So now when they ask you the corresponding range of it, so you have to know that corresponding is the lowest value of y according to your picture. Okay. According to your picture, guys. Look at your picture. What is the lowest? And then what is the highest? Right. So the lowest of it is the maximum. This would be the lowest. So you have to find the minimum point of it, and the minimum point you can find it through what? Okay, so you haven't learned this one, but it's fine, just do it roughly. Okay, roughly you're going to know that this is the axis of symmetry. Okay, axis symmetry is by meaning negative 4 and 2. When you are separated, it's going to be here is negative 2, isn't it? Oh no, sorry, it's going to be negative 1. Right, so here is negative 1, right? So this is when your x is negative 1, and you have to find the y. When you put the 1 into the equation, y is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 8. So it's going to be negative 8. Alright? So, isn't it? Negative 1. Oh, sorry, negative 2 here. So it's negative 2. So negative 1, negative 8, so negative 9. So your y now is at negative 9. So the lowest value of the y, which is the corresponding range, has to be the lowest. Okay, the lowest and the highest, right? So this is the lowest of it would be negative 9, and the highest of it according to the picture is 16. So this